Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is Part 1 Gambling. Visit www.playlottery.com and answer the following questions about the Florida Lottery. Clearly explain how each of the following probabilities is computed. First, what is the probability of winning the jackpot if you play the Florida Lotto? Second, what is the probability of winning the jackpot if you play Mega Millions? Third, what is the probability of winning the jackpot if you play Powerball? For each question, make sure that you fully explain the reasoning behind your answer and the concepts from probability that are used to answer them. Part 2 Genetics. In the 19th century, the Austrian monk Gregor Mendel noticed while crossbreeding plants that often a characteristic of the plant would disappear in the first generation of spring but reappear in the second generation. He theorized that the first generation plants contained a hidden factor which we now call a gene that was somehow transmitted to the second generation to enable the characteristic to reappear. As a sample, suppose we denote the gene that produced the yellow seed by Y and the gene that produced the green seed by G. The uppercase Y indicate that the yellow is the dominant gene and the lowercase g indicates that green is recessive. The table below shows the possible theoretical outcome that can occur when we cross two first generation plant YG, first generation YYYG plant GYGG. Notice from the table that of the four possible outcomes, three of the plant will be yellow since three have the dominant Y gene, while one of the plants, since only one has two recessive gene, will be green. From this we can say that the theoretical probability of the second generation plant being green is 1 over 4 or 0.25. There is of course difference between theoretical and experimental. The following table lists some of the actual results that Mendel obtained in his experiment in crossbreeding peas. Experimental result: characteristics that were crossbreed: first generation plant, second generation plant, tall versus short, all tall 77, tall 277, short smooth versus wrinkled seed, all smooth seed 5474, smooth 1850, wrinkled yellow versus green seed, all yellow seed 6022, yellow 2001, green. Notice from the result that tall, smooth and yellow are all dominant gene. Also notice that based on the experimental result, the probability of second generation plant being green is 0.2494. This agrees fairly well with the theoretical probability from the table of possible theoretical outcomes and experimental result. To answer the following question, first assume that we are crossbreeding genetically tall and short plants. Create a table that shows the possible theoretical outcome that can occur when we cross two least generation plant. To what the theoretical probability that a plant will be short. Third, what is the experimental probability that a plant will be short. 4, how do theoretical and experimental probabilities compare. 5, assume that we are crossbreeding genetically smooth seed, wrinkled seed plants. Create a table that shows the possible theoretical outcomes that can occur when we cross two first generation plants. 6, what is the theoretical probability that a plant will have smooth seeds. 7, what is the experimental probability that a plant will have smooth seed. 8, how do theoretical and experimental probabilities compare. And the answer of the question is part 1 gambling. First, what is the probability of winning the jackpot if you play the Florida Lotto? The probability of winning the Florida Lotto jackpot is 1 in 22,957, 4 80 reasoning. There are 53 numbers to choose from, and you must select 6, making total number of combination 53. C6. Second, what is the probability of winning jackpot if you play Mega Millions? The probability of winning Mega Millions jackpot is 1 in 302575350. Reasoning: you choose 5 numbers from 1 to 70 and 1 Mega Ball number from 1 to 25, making a total number of combinations 70. C5 multiply 25. Third, what is the probability of winning the jackpot if you play Powerball? The probability of winning the Powerball jackpot is 1 in 292201338. Reasoning: you choose 5 numbers from 1 to 16 and 1 Powerball number from 1 to 26, making total number of combinations 69. C5 multiply 26. Part 2, genetics. Table of crossbreed: genetical tall and short plant. Teaser tall, teaser to short. Second, what is the theoretical probability that a plant will short? The theoretical probability of a plant short is 1 over 4, 0.25. Reasoning: only a TT combination result in a short plant. Third, what is the experimental probability that a plant will be short? The experimental probability of a plant being short is 277 into 7, that's 7 plus 277 is equal to 0.2606. How do theoretical and experimental probabilities compare? The theoretical probability 0.5 is close to the experimental probability 0.2606, indicating the experimental aligns well with the theory. 5. Table for crossbreed: genetically smooth minus seed, wrinkles minus seed plants, SL smooth, SL wrinkled. 6. What is the theoretical probability that a plant will have smooth seed? The theoretical probability of a plant having smooth seed is 3 over 4 or 0.75. Reasoning: the combination SS capital S small s and small s capital S are result in smooth seed. 7. What is the experimental probability that a plant will have smooth seeds? The experimental probability of a plant having smooth seed is 5474 over 5474 plus 1850 is equal to 0.714738. How do the theoretical and experimental probabilities compare? The theoretical probability 0.75 is very close to the experimental probability 0.7473, indicating the experiment aligns well with the theory. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.